Welcome to the Bloom Bot tutorial, a comprehensive guide on how to use the Bloom Solana bot. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process of setting up and utilizing the bot to its full potential. First, let's start with the basics. The Bloom Solana bot is a powerful tool that allows you to automate various tasks on the Solana blockchain. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Bloom platform and obtain an API key. Once you have your API key, you can begin setting up the bot. This involves specifying the tasks you want the bot to perform, such as tracking wallet balances or monitoring transaction activity. You can also customize the bot's settings to suit your specific needs, including setting up notifications and alerts. One of the key features of the Bloom Solana bot is its ability to interact with the Solana blockchain. This allows you to perform tasks such as sending transactions, checking wallet balances, and retrieving transaction history. The bot also provides real-time data and analytics, giving you valuable insights into the Solana ecosystem. To use the bot effectively, it's essential to understand the different commands and functions available. For example, you can use the bot to track the balance of a specific wallet, or to monitor the activity of a particular Solana program. You can also use the bot to send transactions, including SOL and SPL tokens. Best practices for using the Bloom Solana bot include setting up regular checks and balances to ensure the bot is functioning correctly, and monitoring the bot's activity to prevent any potential issues. It's also essential to keep your API key secure and to use two-factor authentication to protect your account. In conclusion, the Bloom Solana bot is a powerful tool that can help you automate tasks and gain valuable insights into the Solana ecosystem. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can set up and use the bot to its full potential and start taking advantage of the many benefits it has to offer. With its user-friendly interface and customizable settings, the Bloom Solana bot is an essential tool for anyone looking to get the most out of the Solana blockchain.